Okay, we're outside in the wind today, and that means almost anything can happen, so I apologise for any gustly bursts you might hear. But I really wanted to pop on today and because I have an announcement for you. I have some very exciting news, and that is that I will be teaching a masterclass at Sewing Adventures Sewing Studio here in Brisbane, my hometown, Brisbane, Australia. Now I realise a lot of you are international, and that means that you might not be able to make it or join me, but you never know where I might end up in the future also. So let me share some of these exciting details. I really wanted to do this year, pursue doing in-person workshops, perhaps around the country or internationally, so that I get to really see you guys and teach you, get to interact one-on-one, and get to show you really exciting, fun refashioning and sewing techniques you can use to take home and really get your own refashions just looking so good. So this workshop is coming up really soon. The dates are the 26th and the 27th of January, so it's very soon. There'll be only 8 spots available, so I do expect they'll go rather quickly, so if you're interested you should jump on it ASAP. So it will be 2 days, about 9 to 3 each day, and it's really based around the idea that we'll do refashion, so you'll end up with garments that you'll take home that are refashioned, and you'll have techniques that you can then take home with you, so that you can apply them to your own future refashions from there. So day one will be using a men's shirt, and we'll create a really sort of classic style women's blouse out of the men's shirt. And the second day will be really deconstructing and reconstructing the shirt, men's shirt again, in basically a way that you never knew that you could probably put it all back together again. So sort of 2 different refashions there that'll teach you some techniques for all your future refashions to really help you along. So this masterclass is being held at Sewing Adventures here in Brisbane, Australia. Now the link is below, so there are only 8 spots available. So I do think it will go fairly quickly, so please head to the link below, and you can jump online there. It's very soon, so I'm really excited, and I can't wait to hopefully see you all in class. Now, if you are international and maybe can't make this one, of course, let me know where you are, what city you might like me to come to, or if you are a sewing studio and like this kind of a workshop, let me know also, and who knows where I just might end up later in the year. Okay, head to the link below to book your tickets now. As I said, seats are limited, and hopefully I will see you in class. Until next time, bye.